Real Estate Bookstore presents Flip, How to Find, Fix, and Sell Houses for a Profit, written by Rick Villani and Clay Davis, published on December 19th, 2006. Flip extends the national best-selling Millionaire Real Estate series with a step-by-step guide that is quickly becoming the model for successfully finding, fixing, and selling investment properties for profit. Based on their involvement in over 1,000 flips, Rick Villani and Clay Davis walk you through the proven 5-stage model for successfully flipping a house. Find how to select ideal neighborhoods, attract sellers, and find houses with investment potential. Analyze. Identify which improvements to make and analyze the profit potential of any house. Buy. How to arrange, financing, present the offer, and close on the purchase. Fix. A 50-step, easy-to-follow plan for fixing up houses that keeps you on time, in budget, and assures top quality. Sell. How to add finishing touches to quickly sell for maximum profit. Woven through the book is an entertaining narrative that follows the flipping adventures of Samantha, Ed, Bill, Nancy, Amy, and Mitch as they find, buy, fix, and sell their investment houses. With all this, plus the experience of over 1,000 flips condensed into one book, Flip gives new investors the tools they need to avoid common pitfalls, make a profit, and enjoy the process of house flipping. Rick Villani and Clay Davis are senior executives at Home Fixers, North America's leading real estate rehab franchise. Home Fixers have been involved in more than 1,000 flips nationwide. Real Estate Bookstore, your best source for books at affordable prices with free shipping. Save money today. Visit our site at www.realestatebookstore.com.